What is up, guys? It is Austin BH Halloween and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I have the one and the only darling Dolly to unbox. As you guys heard in my Blackheart unboxing that I did not get her a flagship, but my local store opened today on the 2nd and they had her, so I got her. And I also just picked up the 12-foot Inferno pumpkin skeleton from Home Depot. So I'll be looking for a video of that after the Blackheart unboxing. Let's go ahead and open her up. I think this is a Techie Toys animatronic, which I am so shocked about. But yes, it is a Techie Toys. These are some sandbags and the instructions. Okay, she is all out of the box. Here is her huge box. Darling Dolly. There's her box for you. Let's start the unboxing. Here's the head. We will open that in just a second. I want to open the module because I think this is a really cool module. I think this thing is super cool. Here's her long dress and her kind of hunchback is already in there. Here are her poles. And this is one pole that has the control box on it already. Here's the control box. Here are her amazing tree branch arms, which I think are so cool and so creepy. And here is the base in 2 pieces. And here is the last piece, her amazing head with her long neck. So now let's go to the time lapse of me setting her up. Oh my gosh, you guys, this animatronic is absolutely amazing. It is by far my favorite animatronic from Spirit Halloween this year. Maybe my favorite animatronic this whole year, not just in Spirit. But I do think it's one of the best animatronics from Spirit this year. She is like just like genuinely terrifying because she is like, well, if you read her story, she's like half tree, half doll, half human, half like possessed person. And she's super tall, and the amazing jump scare you guys saw from the side was so amazing. If anyone went to Flagship, y'all would know. Her hunchback is amazing, her hair is amazing, her eyes flashing different colors looks absolutely incredible. And her setup, she seems pretty durable. I don't know, the gears are plastic, so that kind of concerns me, but her frame and everything. She is $280, which is already worth it for her, but of course, if you have a 20% off coupon, it brings it down to about $225, but then tax brings it back up about $20 more. So I think I paid around $245 for her, which is an amazing deal considering she is 7 feet tall, an amazing jump scare, and overall just terrifying. So that is my unboxing, setup, and demo / kind of review over the 2023 Spirit Halloween Darling Dolly animatronic. Do not forget to check out my Instagram at AustinBHHalloween. And subscribe, like, comment, and share, because I have so many more unboxings and so many more store tours to post on here this Halloween season. And be looking for a swag bag giveaway from the flagship store. I have an extra, that is right. I am doing a giveaway of a swag bag. So make sure you subscribe so you do not miss it. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.